This is how I fit the Harley Davidson fairing into the Honda Shadow VLX. I'm sure it'll work for other models of Shadow as well. This is the standard pack you get. It's from eBay for $30, €35. You get them on Geek, AliExpress.com. And these be the parts that you get with it. This is the mounting bracket and the other little bits and pieces, which are all of no use if you want to fit it to a Honda Shadow. These are useless other than the screws. The reason being, on a Harley Davidson there is an opening in the headlight for this hole. This will also screw into the headlight in a Harley Davidson, like so. This is part of the bracket. None of it's going to work on a Honda Shadow. So you can disregard all of this except the Allen key head screws. So first thing you want to do is offer the fairing up to the light. Do what I did, secure it with some adhesive tape to the forks so it'll sit there just in order for you to get your measurements. Now, this is a piece of scrap metal I found in my shed. It was one piece, but I cut it for another use. It's fairly thin, fairly strong, but can bend if you really try. Tools you're going to need for this job is either a hacksaw, angle grinder, and you're definitely going to need a drill. I've already made the mounts and I'll show you them. They're on the bike already. These are the mounts out of that steel. Just sanded them down and painted them. You can see them there. So what I did was, after I set adhesive taped the fairing on, I got the piece of steel, I held it here, measured it up till I screwed it to the fairing, let it run down past the riser bolt. This is the riser thread onto the nut. Mark it with a piece of chalk where it is, then that's where you're going to have to drill the hole in it. So let's just say this is it. This is your piece, like so. You screw it into your fairing. When it went down past the nut, you mark the center for it to drill a hole in it. These screws are going to be a lot longer. You're going to have to cut them to roughly this length, as they're too long to do what we're doing. They're designed for this mount, not for what we're doing here. So now I'm going to fit the fairing onto the Shadow. It's only a few minute job. The most time it took me longer to come up with this idea than it actually did to execute it. So I'm just going to fit that fairing now. Now the fairing has been fitted to the bike. It took me 30 seconds or so. So the risers came up onto the inside. You can see where I have attached them with the Allen key screws. There's a third hole there, but there's nothing we can do with that. Onto that one. And that's the fairing fitted. What I did with that third Allen hole key is just this. Just to take the look off it, because this is black. I just screwed that in there, like so. Just left that there like that, just to take the look off the hole. So that's it. Can be done. It's not hard to do. Thanks for watching.